You spin me right round, baby, right round like a trailing socket. Anyway, oh crikey, we have a trailing socket that we do. Oh, look at that. Oh yeah, ain't it exciting? No, okay, I get that. But in this video, we're going to do a little test of this trailing socket, and is it as good as it is? It okay? It looks pretty boring, doesn't it? It's a round, like it looks like a tire. Anyway, it's a trailing socket with 1, 2, 3, 4 sockets in it, okay? But is it safe? Oh, drum roll, drum roll. Okay, I ain't got no drumsticks. All baguettes on Francais. Anyway, what's a baguette stand for? Is it like a long stick or something, isn't it? Yeah, they're called baguettes, as in like pan, as in bread. All right. Yeah, as baguette, but also drumsticks are baguettes as well. But anyways, I said he done it. Anyway, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4 sockets there, and I have this tester. This is a socket tester, as you can see, and it tells me whether or not it's wired up correctly. Oh, I wonder. Oh, crikey. Oh, I'm so excited that I am. So, let's plug in our socket tester into the socket here. As you can see, drum roll. Oh, God, I've got to do it again. No drum roll. Okay, let's start on this one here. Is it good? Oh, yes. Because the 2 left-hand lights are lit. And it says there, okay, that is correct. Oh, I'm happy. Oh, it must all be good, yeah. Well, that's 1 out of 4 anyway. Let's test the next one. Oh, there we go. Yes! Oh, brilliant. Oh, crikey. Well, we have 2 left that we do. Oh, I wonder if they are good as well. So, let's plug it into there. And let's see. Oh, that ain't correct. Now, what do those 2 lights mean? Well, they mean that the live and neutral are reversed. Yeah, they're the wrong way round. The wrong way round. Why? Well, let's have a look at the last socket. Is that one there the right way round or the wrong way round? I'm all depressed now. Oh, yeah. Oh, that's also the wrong way round. Oh, the story of my life, that it is. Oh, dear. So, we've got a 50% chance of not blowing our shit up. Oh, it's like Russian roulette. Well, why is that important? Okay. Well, it is important to have your live on the right hand side as per code. The same in the United Kingdom, the same here in France or in the EU. Generally speaking, your live is on the right. Now, some people argue that it doesn't really matter. Most appliances these days are not polarity sensitive. But let's say, for instance, you plugged a bedside light into this, okay? And generally speaking, it would be switched on the live. That's the normal thing to do. Not live and neutral, just on the live. The neutral has not been cut. But let's say, for instance, your plug thinks the neutral is alive. Or alive, anyway, it's the wrong way around. When you cut that live, you're not cutting the live, you're cutting the neutral. So when you actually take out your light bulb and accidentally touch the terminals inside where are you? Inside the light fitting. Anyway, inside that light fitting, okay. Oh, crikey. And you touch it, and you go, ah, like that, you do, and you cry. Because you've got no fingers left. You burnt them off. All that, you'll be just like rolling around on the floor, like shaking and stuff. Like that, you see. So it is important. It is important that the live and neutral are the right way round. So the live is always getting broke. Now, anyone who tells me otherwise, I don't care. All right? You do what you like. But as far as I'm concerned, and considering I was up to 17th edition, I haven't done 18th, but I've done my 17th edition electrical installations in the UK. It just makes absolute sense to me. Those to be the right way round. Now, the thing is here, you see, it isn't the wrong way around because somebody says, why is it wrong? No. It's the wrong way round because it's actually in its design. It's designed that way. Why the hell would you do that? With all that room you've got behind it, there's no reason to do that. Now, these things here, you see, these adapters, which say, for example, that changes your EU socket into a UK socket, they too reverse the polarity. The reason for that is where the earth goes. The earth goes into there, and then, because there's no room for the other earth, you see, they would they'd bang up against each other. It wouldn't work, you see. So these things also reverse the polarity. But also, these things, these multi-plug things, which you plug into there, they reverse the polarity as well. So be careful. Depends on what you obviously plugging into it. But let's be honest, most people do not really have how to protect, apart from obviously any common sense. Anyway, don't really actually take notice of that sort of stuff. They see a socket and they plug something into it and make an assumption that it's all going to be tickety-boo. But the fact of the matter is it can be dangerous. Okay? And it's only as dangerous as the ones you're actually putting in there as well. So bear that in mind. All right? And get yourself one of these. Your house might be wired up wrong. I've seen it myself. Here in France especially. If you may. Crikey. Anyway, I have seen it here where sockets have been wired, new installations have been wired the wrong way round. And it is important that it's the correct way round. Seriously, is. Otherwise, the other thing you're doing, you see, when you plug your lead into that, or into that, which is reversed, the wires, let's say for instance, someone's doing some work on it or have you, you're not going to know which is neutral, which is live. It's going to be the other way around. And you might not know that. Now, you can touch a neutral. I'm not suggesting that you do, just in case any feedback for it. But you can, without generally blowing yourself up and dying. But if you touch the live, there is a bit of a risk that you might sort of, electrocute yourself. And you might be like dead. You don't want to do that, do you? Unless that's your thing. Digitas or whatever. I don't know. I don't know what you're into. But you see? Take care. Be safe. And get one of these little socket testers. These ones are €15. Now, I would suggest you get one anyway, even if you're renting a place. And then check all the sockets. And if they're the wrong way around, make a note of it, take a picture of it, and keep it on file just in case there's a problem in the future. Because then you can blame the blooming landlord because you told him. And he doesn't do nothing about it. That's his problem. Could be your problem as well if you're not careful. But anyway, if you know what I mean. Anyway, it's time for me to go, so I can say toodaloo, but please be careful when messing about with electrics. It can be rather dangerous, that it can. And please bloop the old like button, because it helps the channel, I hope so, anyway. That's what they told me. I don't know, they might be fibbing. That they might. I don't know. Toodaloo.